Hey guys, today we're gonna be talking about Newton's laws and how they apply to forces. Let's get started. Force is defined as any push or pull that changes the object's acceleration. And just like acceleration, force is a vector quantity. So force is calculated as mass times acceleration, so its unit is going to be kilograms times meters per second squared, which is also equal to newtons. So whenever you see a quantity with a letter n next to it, like a number and then n, you can assume that it's a force. Newton's first law of motion is the law of inertia. The law of inertia states that an object will remain at rest or move with a constant velocity if there is no net force on the object. So